Here I'm putting these Techers pipe cleaners to the test. I've used a few pipe cleaners over the last year since I've found out about them. Some of the brushes don't seem to be as good. These ones are quite a good quality stainless steel, and they seem to strip the paint off quite well. The first test I thought I'd do it on a sort of cleanish bit of pipe, bit of green there, but nothing too major, and it did just strip it perfectly quite quickly, and that's a nice clean end there, perfect for soldering. This one's a bit more of a challenge, as you can see by all the paint on there. Give it a good go on this one just to see how well it actually does. I did notice at the end there was a blob of solder hanging down on the back of this, which I'll show at the end of the video. Not sure that's going to help with the longevity of the brushes, but we'll see. The good thing with these brushes is they are actually replaceable inside the drill bit. I use these quite often, probably at least 2-3 times a week, so it'll be interesting to see how long this one lasts. As you can see here, when I pan round, there is a slight bit of solder which it actually cleaned off quite well. So they are good, solid brushes. I would recommend them to anyone. Just helps speed up the pipe cleaning process, really. Here you can see where that bit of solder was, which it stripped away nicely. Allowed for the fitting to go on quite easily, which is good. I saw this on another pipe cleaning video, which I thought was a good idea. They actually used the pipe cleaner to hold the pipe while soldering, so I thought I'd give it a go because they're nice and solid when the drill's not being spun. So it grips it nicely, which makes life a lot easier when trying to solder. Yet to say how long these brushes will actually last. I guess it depends on how much pipes you clean in throughout your working week. I do it regularly, so hopefully I'll soon know. I've used other pipe cleaners in the past. Some seem better than others, but this one's meant to be the best from Techers. Not sponsored by them, by the way. It's just a tool that I've got, so thought I'd do a little video on it. Who knows, maybe they will actually see this video and they might offer to sponsor me, but I do speak to one of the guys on Instagram from time to time. Seems like a nice bloke. Got a few other tools as well. Please like and subscribe this video if you find it useful. Little soldering tip added in as well, which is quite handy for some people. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you've used these or what other models or makes you've used. I have actually used the Monument one, which is quite a new one, which you can use with your hand as well. Wasn't too impressed with the brush on it so far. Haven't given it that much of a good use, but maybe it was a dodgy bit of pipe that didn't help it. But as you can see, this Techers one lasted quite well. I think I'm going to have to go with Game Changer and not a Gimmick.